Good morning, class 10th. So today we start from the question number 4th. So question 4th is what? Which of the following pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? If consistent, obtain the solution graphically. Okay. Same question as it is there of question number 3 also same is, but in this we have to draw the graph also. Now look at that. So first part is what? X plus y is equals to 5, 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. So I write that part. X plus y is equals to 5, 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. I find the ratio first. A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2, C1 upon C2. Here 1 upon 2. Here also 1 upon 2. And that 5 upon 10 is also what? 1 upon 2. So the pair of equations is consistent. When all are equal, it will be consistent only. Now I think you can draw the graph of that equation x plus y is equals to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equals to 10 by making that one table by using of that table, that x and y. Now put the values of x and y and you will get two tables and you can draw the graph. I think this question is your now. Now next question number 5. So 5 is what? Half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width is 36 meter. Find the dimension of the garden. First, what is a half the perimeter of a rectangular garden? We have to do the half the perimeter of the garden. Now look at that. The length I will take as x, width I will take as y. So perimeter is what? 2 multiply x plus y. So half of its perimeter means 1 upon 2 into x plus y. Now 2 and 2 cut it. Now the perimeter, half of the perimeter is equals to, in two variables, look at that, its width is 36 meter. So half of the perimeter, comma is there. So the statement is over. After that its value is equals to 36 meter. So half of the perimeter equals to 36, x plus y is equals to 36. Now what is the second statement? Second statement is whose length is 4 more than its width. Length is 4 more than its width. Now look at that. What is the length? X. Length is 4 more than its width. Now x minus y is equals to 4. Now both the equations we have to solve. X plus y is equals to 36. X minus y is equals to 4. Now y and y cut it. 2x is equals to 40. X value is what? 20. Now put this value in the given equation. X plus y is equals to 36. Now 20 plus y 36, y is equals to 36 minus 20, so y value is 16. I think the question is clear now. Now question number 6. Given the linear equation 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0, write another linear equation in two variables such that the geometrical representation of the pair is form is intersecting lines. Means we have to give any example, so it will be intersecting lines. First equation is given. Second, we have to tell that the equation will be intersecting lines. Now look at that. Equation is what? 2x plus 3y minus 8 is equals to 0. I have to make the intersecting lines. Means a1 upon a2 is not equals to b1 upon b2 I have to make. So I can write anything. So I make this one. The second line such that it is intersecting. The given line is 2x plus 4y minus 6 is equals to 0. This is given. No, this I have make. Sorry. This I have make. Now look at that. A1 upon A2 I can find. So A1 upon A2 is what? That 2 upon 2. A1 is 2. A2 is 2. So A1 upon A2 is 2 upon 2. Answer is 1. Now B1 upon B2 means 3 upon 4. Now both are not equal means the lines is intersecting lines. Same as it is, you can do the parallel lines also. You can make any equations for parallel line or coincident lines. Now the last question is there. Draw the graph of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equals to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. Determine coordinate of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis shaded the triangular region. Now the equation is what? X minus y plus 1 is equals to 0. X value is what? Y minus 1. Now you can put x value 0, then y value will get 1. When you put x is equals to 1, y get 2. When you put x is equals to 2, y will be get 3. Same as it is for the second equation. 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equals to 0. So the value of x is 12 minus 2y upon 3. Now you have to put the values of x. If I put x is equals to 4, y will be 0. Put it. Or when I put 0, y, look at that, y is 0. 2 into 0 0, 3 4s are 12. When y I put 3 here, so 3 2s are 6. 12 minus 6, 6 divided by 3, so x is 2. And when I put 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0 upon 3, 0. So you can put any values, but I put these only. Now mark all these points on the graph paper like this. First one is that 0 comma 1, here it will be, and the 1 comma 2 around here, 2 comma 3 here also, 2 comma 3, 4 comma 0, 0 comma 6. And when you extend it, okay, when you extend it, the point on x-axis is minus 1 comma 0, here 4 comma 0, or where it intersecting is 2 comma 0, and this is your triangular region which is shaded. This is your triangle. This is your answer. So the vertices of the triangle are 2 comma 3, minus 1 comma 0, and 4 comma 0. Now the chapter is over. Now on the next class I will take your test of the whole course. Thank you.